How to remove Safari tabs on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. As you get there, scroll down through the menu and select Apps at the bottom. Now, from the Apps menu select Safari and your screen will be navigated to a Safari menu. Over here, scroll down to select Close tabs as shown. You can choose manually or any time frame you wish. After choosing, go back and scroll down again to clear history and website data. Then, from the pop-up, turn on Close All Tabs option. Selecting Clear History simultaneously erases your browsing history, cookies, and other website data, and then closes all open web pages. Following these steps, you can easily remove Safari tabs on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.